This video will show you how to install the GitHub Copilot extension in VS Code on Domino. The first step will be to download the Copilot VS Code extension. The easiest way to find it is to just Google it as I did here, and this takes you to the extension right here. And the best thing to do will be to download this extension. So we will do so now. Once I have the extension, I can switch back to Domino and start working there. Now that I'm in Domino, I'll create a new project and call the project VS Code. And click Create. Domino creates the project. Then I'll go and start a workspace. I'll use one of the recent environments inside of Domino and select VS Code as my IDE. I'll click Launch. Naturally, this will take a few seconds. And while I'm doing that, I can go to GitHub just to make sure that I have access to Copilot. So github.com, I go to my account settings, and down there on the left is the Copilot setting that shows that I have access to the tool. As the environment starts up and Visual Studio Code loads, I will need to go to the settings inside of VS Code, and I see that Copilot is not installed, so we will use the file that we just downloaded. Over here, install from VSIX. We will show local, but actually local will be on my desktop. I'll go to the downloads where I saved it. I'll choose the VSIX extension file. It will now install. And as you can see, it will ask me to sign into GitHub. I will let it allow. It will open a new window, and I will click copy and continue to GitHub. It will ask for an activation code. The activation code will actually appear on this pop-up window. Select it, copy it to your clipboard, and then just paste this code. Click continue, authorize, and then when that's done, go back to Domino and you are good to go. I'm going to now create a new file. I'll call it Copilot test.py for Python, and let me just correct the name. It's not. And when I open it, I can define a very straightforward named function, and you can see that Copilot actually is auto-completing my code. So to use the autocomplete, just click Tab. I can then continue, and Copilot will keep offering me more code pieces. And there you have it. Copilot from GitHub running inside of Domino.